The biggest surprise at Microsoft's Surface event today isn't a dual screen device. That's something we've seen rumored quite a bit. It's the Surface headphones. This is Microsoft's first pair of headphones. They're a wireless noise canceling pair, and they also have Cortana built in. It basically has all the features you'd want in a high-end pair of headphones right now, and it's meant to compete with something that we've seen from Sony, the WH-1000XM3s, and also Bose's noise-canceling headphones. And those also both have Google Assistant built in. It's really interesting to see all these companies kind of exploring what you could do with digital assistants in a headphone. I got to try out the headphones here, and I found them really light and really comfortable. There's so much padding around the ear pads, and there's also a lot of room for your ear as well. That's important because I have big ears, and sometimes headphones just feel really constrictive for me. Quality-wise, it sounded pretty good too. I was just listening to a couple playlists here from Spotify that Microsoft was streaming, but there was a good amount of bass. The highs and the mid-ranges were really clear, and the noise canceling was really impressive too. This is really a loud event, as you can hear, and I was able to drown out pretty much all of the noise. I can't quite tell if it's as good as the Sonys I've been testing, but it's pretty good. And what I also really liked is Microsoft implemented control dials on both sides of the headphones. So the left side, you could turn that and control how much noise canceling you want to block out or a sound you want to let in. And on the right side, the dials control volume. And that's much better than what I've seen on the Sonys. It's kind of the big downside to their headphones. That's all touch controls, and sometimes changing volume, changing tracks can have problems. It's nice to have those functions separated, especially if you're really into a piece of music. While the Surface headphone is surprising, we are seeing more companies pay more attention to headphones right now. Even Apple's rumored to be working on a high-end noise-canceling pair. So it's really interesting to see all these companies getting in this space. We don't know when the Surface headphones will be available. Microsoft says by the holidays, and they'll sell for $350, which is the same price as Sony's WH-1000XM3s. So that's really the sweet spot for all these headphones.